Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Religiously Fit and to my running streak for 30 days. So guys, there's one thing which I would like to share with you first of all today is that from the time I started running like these 5 kilometers and over every day for the last like 9 days, so somehow I started to walk more. And yesterday I just noticed when I was going to fall asleep. Before that I just checked my stats. So it was like yesterday I ran plus walk like almost like 16 kilometers. I don't know how this is happening and I'm really surprised. But every day my step counts are like maybe 20,000 and the walking plus running is like 15 kilometers. So that's a lot. So anyways, I had some personal engagements as well yesterday, because of which I traveled. And also today I woke up late and I was like kind of dragged this morning. So it took me like almost total 2 hours to reach until this point. I had an energy bar first thing in the morning after as I woke up, because I was very low on energy. I had caffeine, good amount of caffeine. And that's the thing. So today I thought my body was screaming and saying that I should stop now. It's not going to work, like I'm not going to hold it up now. But I said it is what it is again. I have to do this. It took me some time to get ready and all, but now I'm here and I'm happy. So I'm all excited now. And see, motivation is something which you cannot rely upon. It's only the discipline which can help you achieve your goals and dreams in the long run. So you will somehow have to have a discipline, and you will somehow have to have to force or motivate or whatever yourself for some days, so that you get into that discipline mode, and that the new routine becomes a part of your life. It's a lifestyle kind of thing, and you cannot sustain without that. So that is the thing. I am also trying to do it with these 30 days run and push-ups. So somehow 9 days are complete. Today's 10th day. I am hoping that I'll do my 5k again today. I'll do my 100 push-ups, and let's see how it goes. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, bye. Hi guys, I did complete my 5k, actually 6k today, and my performance was, I feel like, much better than yesterday and day before. My heart rate was also in control. I think I slept for like 7 hours last night. Yeah, I slept at 12 or something, maybe even 6 or 7 hours. But I felt so good today, and at some point of time I was like, my mind was screaming that I should stop, that I shouldn't be doing this. And I think from last 2-3 days I have been getting these kinds of reminders every morning, that I should stop at least for a day or so. But I don't think I'm going to do that. But when I was running, I felt sharp pain in my groin. On a scale of 10, it should be like maybe 6, but it was quick, like it came and went. So but at one point of time in my today's run, I felt like I'm unstoppable. That was a beautiful feeling. Even though my body is, I think I'm overtraining my body, because as I said in my previous videos, I haven't done any workout 7 days a week, and now today's day 10, and I'm not thinking of stopping anytime soon, until until I complete my 30 days. So I felt so good. I felt awesome. I felt magical. I felt so strong, because I was having some pain. I was limping even for maybe couple of 100 steps. I limped, but then I did not stop. I'm still listening to my body. It's not like that I'm not listening to my body, I'm just forcing it. As I said, I had some groin pain, so I'm going to focus a lot on my groin area. I'm going to stretch it a lot. Maybe in last 2 or 3 days I did not might have missed stretching my groin, or maybe, as I said, like I'm walking like maybe 14-15 kilometers a day, which is a lot. And I don't know how is it happening. Literally I don't know. But when I see my app, my fitness app in my phone, at the end of the day I see 15 kilometers or like 14 kilometers. My god, that's really unbelievable. But again, I'm proud, and whosoever is watching this video, I hope you found some value. I hope you're able to push yourself to some extent, at least a little bit, okay, every day. or you just get out of your comfort zone and just find yourself and just do whatever it takes. Little a time, like a very tiny effort, but do whatever it takes, even if it is running, writing, reading, cooking, whatever it is, but give it some time and you will find yourself. You will find your happiness, and you might also be motivating other people. So guys, I'll take a sign off now and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one and have your proteins.